I did it on the speed I had it first time.
Can you explain again what the program is really doing?
It's projecting the sun onto the hive shape, and it's measuring the amount of sun which is landing on each face, and then taking the component of the sun which is perpendicular to the face to find out how much sun is actually affecting the surface of the hive. And the little black shape, when it behaves properly, is the effect of a wall nearby, not that triangle. The one at the bottom is showing the effect of the wall casting a shadow on the hive. And this on the left here is a histogram showing for each position the amount of the reading from the area times the angle for the resolution. So that was roughly, what you've seen there is roughly 1 day's sunshine landing on the hive.
Okay, thank you.